Hey, I'm Bruce. Let me tell you something. Today I'm crazy excited. Why? Because something I have been waiting for 8 months is arrived. This one. When I look at it, it is come from Prusa, which means now I'm only ordered one thing from Prusa. 6 months ago. It's called MMU 2.0, which today is arrived. Which means I will have multimaterial service very shortly. Stay tuned. You asked me the very last few day videos. I'm sorry. I hope you understand. I'm actually prepared some class, and yesterday I have a family days. Family always first. And we have some wallpaper out there just now. Do you see that? Well, sorry about that. I try to upgrade in future daily, but last few days I really kind of find some time. That make me actually I'm not enough sleep, and I got also again on the table unboxing. No, this is not knife. This one. It's time to unbox this. I'm too neat. Wait it. Come on. Yo. From the middles. Open. It look like it's a hexagon. On the table unboxing. Hey. Original Prusa i3 2.5 MK3 multimaterial 2.0 upgrade port. Finally arrived. Let me check what is inside. First thing, tell me there. Golden Parent. Every time you buy Prusa from Original site, they have give this. Come on, Prusa, I'm fat already. Yeah, get away. Check in the size. Congratulations, getting blah, 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 blah. Final pack. Well, forget it. You got a handbook. This is the really nice from Prusa. Every time they make a very nice handbook, but actually you can check online. Well, sticker, a lot of sticker, and Prusa is one of the guy that use his face as logo. Another one is KFC, you know it, and Papa Rich, you know it, and his dog. Yeah. This. Some power wires. This USB cable. Oh, this electronic MMU 2 board. And you got whoa! Seriously? They got this type of recycled plastic. What they call? Filament holder. So you just put a bearing here and a rod in middle, then will become filament holders. Cool! And they give 5 of them. Cool! Really cool! How about this? V2 motor and air mount and multiplexer. I got one motor. Well, it should give me one motor because I'm upgrade from 1.0 to 2.0. So I already have 4 motor there. They're not giving me others. Of course they're not, because I'm not paying for that. What else in the box? Paperback first. Oh, I'm actually skipping. This is some cover below, so I can take this part first. So what is this? MM1, MMU1, 2. Oh, this one heavy. Why? Because of all the plastic parts inside. You got plastic part, and some tools. Giving more tools.
And bearing, rod, screw, everything here. Oh, this one. Well, I guess this is the base for the implement holders. Yeah. So this one maybe later. I gotta work. I got a lot of work. This one need to build ourselves. Okay, last cover. Eh? Nothing. So just now I take out the package from the last cover. This is the thing. So I got a new excluder part. Excluder upgrade. Actually I don't have to because I already upgraded. But okay, as a spare part, not bad. Yeah, this is same with the exactly the new one. Wow. And this new, what is called? Whatever. It's good. Excluder upgrade. Fine. Time to work.